Hello and welcome to this Profometer Corrosion PM8500 tutorial. Firmware update. On completion of this tutorial, you'll be able to update the firmware version. The PM8500 app will inform you if there is a new firmware version available. In order to perform a FW upgrade, you will need the PQ upgrade software available at the bottom page of the PM8500 Screening Eagle website. Connect the sensor to the PC using the USB-C cable. Start the PQ upgrade software and select Express to check for the latest FW version. Select PM8500. The settings are automatic. Select Next. The software should detect your device automatically. Select Finish. Log in with your live.prosec.com account. If there is an update available for your device, it will be displayed here. Select Update. Please, be careful not to power off the device or interrupt the update process. On completion of the upgrade process, the status will be displayed. Select Finish. Now, you know how to perform a FW upgrade of PM8500.